And another one. See where we at today. Yeah. Let's get to this room tour. So this is the closet. Peekaboo, one of them. Actually goes around pretty far. This is the living room. Excuse all the booze. Entertainment system. Front door, of course. Great views of the strip. Doing a nighttime view right now. This is the other bathroom, but my husband's in there right now. It's gorgeous. Work from home. You can hook up your desk right here. Another little bar area. And this is the bedroom. Gorgeous views everywhere. Couch, tables. Let's see what's in here. Ah, it's nothing. This side, just space. Alarm clock, good bedding. And I gotta show you guys this. Booyah. Like, look at that.